since she was 5, Lila had a peculiar secret. She could turn into a guinea pig. Not just any guinea pig, but a soft, golden fluff ball with bright pink paws and an uncanny ability to squeak in perfect pitch. It started when she touched her grandmother's enchanted brooch. One moment, she was a girl dreaming of adventure. The next, she was scurrying under the couch, dodging dust bunnies. At first, it was terrifying. Then, it was thrilling. She discovered she could change back at will and used her gift to explore hidden corners of her world, overhearing secrets, sneaking into locked rooms, and once riding in a backpack on a school field trip. But when her best friend's hamster went missing, Lila knew it was time to use her ability for good. As a guinea pig, she tracked the scent and saved the day. Lila wasn't ordinary. She was extraordinary. Squeak by squeak,